Welcome to my clips on how to tell the time. There are few clips in this series. We will start you at the very beginning. Let's look at what we call the hands of the clock. We have a long hand here and we have a short hand there. Do you see the difference between the two? They each move differently. The long hand is called the minute hand and it moves all the way around the clock, right around for every hour. Okay? The short hand is called the hour hand and it'll only move from there to there in an hour. Okay? And the next hour it'll move another one. The next hour it'll move another one. Okay, so the names of these hands are minute hand, hour hand. Okay. Now, if our minute hand were shown here with this arrow as moving around, it's now 12. 5 minutes later, it's going to be there. Let's draw it properly as an arrow. It will be there. Then another 5 minutes later, it will be there. See, it's moving around the clock. Then 15 minutes later, it will be there. 20 minutes later, it will be there. Do you see it's busy making its way this way around? 25 minutes later, oops, sorry, color, change color. It'll be there. Then it will be here. Then it will be there. Then it will be there. It's just going to move steadily around the face of the clock every hour. Okay. And then it'll come back to 12. When it comes back to 12, then this hand here will no longer be there. It will have moved slowly onto the 4. So let's go put it on the 4. Let's rub it out where it stands there. And let's go put it on the 4. It will now stand looking like that. So you get an idea? Basically, our minute hand, which is our long one, moves right around the face of the clock every hour. And once it has done a full revolution of that, our hour hand has moved from one number to the next. Okay. Next one, I want to just show you, we technically could visualize the face of the clock in two halves. So if we were to just draw a line here, like that, we could say this half is when we are going past 12, and this half is when we are on our way back to 12. So let us go write it there. This would be past 12. Oops, let me get a proper pen. Get one of those rather. Past 12. And this one would be to 12. Okay, so those are just the basics. We're going to practice them a lot in the next few clips. It's just that you've got a clear thought on how the face of the clock works. We'll see you in the next lecture on how to tell time.